Hi there, YouTubers. Roger from Gateway Cycles back with you again. Took a new vehicle in here and I wanted to give you guys a quick rundown on it. It's a 2011 Yamaha V-Star 650. Anybody that knows, these are fantastic little machines. This is 5-speed V-twin. Just an awesome little machine. Great around town bike. Great learner's bike. Let me give you a walk around here. Black with red pinstriping. Nice 2-up seat there. Thing's pretty much factory stock, very low mileage. Got the factory pipes on it. Nice looking shot of that V-twin there. Spoke front wheel. Got nice disc brakes up there. Good looking headlight bezel. Got a few LEDs on it. Give you a shot of the dash on it here so you can see real low mileage, 39, 37. There you go. And let's fire this thing up here. She's kind of mellow with the factory pipes, but I'll give you a shot of it. There you go, guys. Come on down here to Gateway Cycles in beautiful Mount Sterling, Kentucky and check us out. Or you can check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Help us get more videos out to you. Thanks for watching, guys.